On this Excel basic part 3 video, I am going to show you how to sort and subtotal in Excel. So we have here employee details, that employee name column, position column and salary column. We can start with the sort. Just select this part. Click on data where we can see sort. Click sort. We can see here sort by employee name. A to Z means ascending order. When I click on OK, it will be sorted in A to Z format. First name starting with A, then there is no B, D, F in ascending order. If we want to go to the previous position, as I mentioned in the previous video, just press Ctrl Z for undo. Then again I want to sort it on data. We can go to sort. I am going to sort here. Select again, click on sort again. Employee name I am sorting here in descending order. Click OK, Z to A. It's starting from Z because I am sorting in descending order. Again Ctrl Z here. Suppose I want the subtotal of each position. We have accountant here, we have accountant here. If I want to make the total like this, it will take time if we have a huge range of data. For example, accountant 1 here and 1 here, so only 2 accountants. Sometimes it's long rows, it will take more time to get the subtotal of each category. So we have here subtotal, that is also available in data. Click data where we can see subtotal. Subtotal based on what? Position, right? Each position. Accountant subtotal I needed, HR subtotal I needed, salesman subtotal I needed. For each position salary subtotal I needed here. So if I make each change in, then here it should be position, and what we need the sum of salary of each position. Add subtotal to salary only. We have no other option. Position there is no subtotal, employee name also no subtotal. So click OK. Here we get the subtotal, but there is some problem. Only one accountant subtotal here and here. So it will not work properly. So what I am going to do here, again click inside anywhere, go to subtotal, remove all. What we have to do here, we need to sort the position first, then make the subtotal. So select this part, click sort, then click position. We click position, we need the sorted position also, A to Z. Then click OK. Now we can see it's sorted. Now again click on data, subtotal, where we can see salary based on position. So at each change in position, click on position here. We need the sum of each position salary, we need the sum. So add subtotal here, just tick this salary, then click OK. Now we get the total of each category, each position. And grand total also available here. If we want to remove the subtotal again, click on subtotal here, remove all. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.